Very good day to all of you students. Today we are going to see getting started with Android programming. Android is an open source Linux based mobile operating system developed mainly for smartphones and tablets. It provides a complete software environment for developing and running mobile applications. Android was initially developed by Android Inc., which was later acquired by Google. Google, along with the Open Handset Alliance (OHA), developed Android as an open platform for mobile devices. Why Android is popular? Android became popular because it provides an open and flexible platform, support for many different hardware devices, a powerful application framework, a large collection of development tools, support for multimedia, networking, sensor, GPS, camera, and other hardware, a large developer community, a large application ecosystem. Why these are the versions? Android has gone through several versions, with each version introducing new features and improvements. Version 1.5, version 1.6, 2.0/2.1, 2.2 Froyo, 2.3 Gingerbread, 3.0 Honeycomb, 4.0 Sandwich. So the Android 4.0 ice cream sandwich, since the reference book, what they are using, class what they are using, it references Android 4. The special importance is given to Android 4.0 ice cream sandwich. The important features which includes improved user interface, face unlock, Android Beam using NFC, improved multitasking, improved notification system, better camera functionality, improved web browsing, data usage monitoring, improved graphics performance, virtual buttons instead of physical buttons on supported devices. Next, that is what this is the Android. These are the features: improved UI, face unlock, masking, multitasking, camera. Some of the features of the Android are: Android provides many features that makes it suitable for mobile applications. The first and the foremost is open source. Android is based on open source technologies. Developers and device manufacturers can customize the platform according to their requirements. The second one is the application framework. Android provides a framework containing reusable components. Developers can use these components to build applications more easily. The third one is the multitasking. Android allows multiple applications and processes to operate at the same time. For example, a user can listen to music while browsing the internet. The fourth one is the connectivity. Android supports several communication technologies: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular networks, NFC, USB, mobile internet. Multimedia support. Android supports audio, video, images, camera, animation, and various media formats. Location services. Applications can use location information obtained through technologies such as GPS, network location, Wi-Fi based positioning. For example, navigation applications can determine the user's location. The next is the hardware support. Android can interact with device hardware such as camera, microphone, GPS, accelerometer, compass, proximity sensor, touchscreen. And the next one is the web browser. The Android provides a browser based on web technologies that allows the users to access the internet devices. The notification applications can display notifications to inform users about events such as new messages, emails, downloads, application updates, etc. The next comes the architecture of the Android. Android follows a layered software architecture. Understanding this architecture helps developers understand how Android applications interact with the hardware. The major layers are applications, application framework, Android runtime, libraries, Linux kernel. Applications, this is the top layer of the Android architecture. It contains applications used by the user such as phone, contacts, email, browser, SMS, camera, calendar, music player. Third-party applications installed by users also operate at this level. The next is the application framework. The application framework provides services and components that developers use to create Android applications. Important framework components include Activity Manager, which manages the lifecycle of applications and activities. Window Manager manages application windows and the user interface. Content providers allow applications to share the access date. Resource Manager manages resources such as images, strings, layouts, colors, etc. Notification Manager, it allows applications to display notifications. Location Manager provides location-related services. Package Manager manages information about installed applications and packages. The next comes the libraries and Linux kernel. It has got the Android runtime runs two important parts, core libraries. The other one is DVM, Dalvik Virtual Machine. So here it is listed. The libraries, the Android provides a set of C++ libraries that support important system functions. Example includes SQLite, OpenGLES, WebKit, Media Framework, SSL, Surface Manager. And in the Linux kernel is the foundation of Android. It provides low-level services such as process management, memory management, power management, network management, device drivers, security, hardware communication. The kernel acts as an interface between Android software and the physical hardware. Simple view of Android architecture, applications, application framework, Android runtime plus libraries, Linux kernel, and the hardware. So Android devices in the market. Android is not limited to a single manufacturer or devices. Different manufacturers produce Android-based devices with different screen sizes, processors, RAM, storage capacity, cameras, sensors, network capabilities, battery capacities. Examples of manufacturers that have produced Android devices include Samsung, HTC, Motorola, Sony, LG. Types of Android devices. Androids can be used in smartphones, tablets, wearable devices, television devices, automated systems, and other embedded devices. The major advantage of Android is its ability to support different hardware configurations. Thank you, children. Thank you all.